Write the summations in 29 through 32 in expanded form. Now, it's important to understand that this is a geometric series, and we will find formulas for how to evaluate the geometric series exactly. However, in this question, we're just trying to find the expanded form, which is what we get when we plug in our index variable into this expression repeatedly as the index variable I iterates from the number 1 to n. So let's start with our first index, which is I equals 1. We'll plug that in and we get negative 2 to the 1th power. And now I is going to iterate, and as I iterates, we're going to be adding terms. So the next term is what we get when we plug in the index variable I equals 2, which will be negative 2 squared. And the next term will be negative 2 cubed. And at some point, we can write plus dot 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 plus, just to tell our reader that we're skipping a lot of terms in between I equals 1 and n. And now we want to write what the last terms look like. I'm going to write the last 2 terms. The second to last term is going to be negative 2 to the n minus 1. And the last term is going to be negative 2 to the n. This is the expanded form of the summation. Now, I do want to mention that there are a couple different ways of writing this. For example, you didn't need to write this term with the cube, and technically you don't need to write this term, which is the second to last term. But it helps the reader know that you understand what the expanded form looks like. And we can even go further by finding the 4th term or the third to last term and so on. But you don't have to do that. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.